Hi, I'm Brandy G, the Community NP,
And I'm Brandy B, also the Community MP.
and today we're going to demonstrate how to do a self breast examination. Okay?
Yes.
So we should do a self breast examination at least once a month, preferably not when you're on your menstrual cycle, because the breasts are more sensitive and tender.
Right.
Okay, due to the hormones. So you want to do it. Start off in the shower.
Yeah.
It's easier. Soap, water. You can glide your hands over your breast a little easier while you're in the shower. So we're gonna show them how to do it in the shower.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go.
All right. So what should I do first?
All right. First of all, you're going to put one hand above, back behind your head. Okay. Then you're gonna use the other hand to the pads, the 3 pads of your finger. So okay, let's do it.
So usually I start like underneath my armpit and I go in all the way to the nipple, and then I do that all around my breast just to see if I can feel any like lumps, bumps, anything like that. And then the top. So I start at about 3 and then go back around to 3. And then what you also want to do is make sure you're feeling under here. These lymph nodes run to your breast, and sometimes, a lot of times actually, people that develop breast cancer also it spreads to their lymph nodes under their armpits. So
I do mine's a little different.
Okay.
I think I use the 3 pads of my hand, and I do a circular motion.
Okay.
So I start underneath my arms. Let me take this off. Let's see. This is real life, okay? So we're like really in clinic. Okay. So I start underneath my arm, and I may do a circular motion around my entire breast, making sure I cover the entire breast.
Right.
And when I get to the nipple, I squeeze just to make sure I don't have any discharge or anything coming from my nipple. Yeah. And we just do the same on both sides.
Right. And then so you want to, like Brandy said before, make sure you do it at least once a month, usually around the same time. And like she said, when you're on your period, your breasts are more tender, and so you don't want to really mess with them, squeeze on them. So try to avoid that time.
So when I tell my patients, when you step out the shower, you want to look in the mirror. Yeah. You want to examine your breasts. You want to look to see most people's breasts are not the same size. So you may have one bigger than the other.
Usually your dominant side, if you're right-handed, then your right breast usually is bigger.
Okay, I didn't know that. Yeah. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, so when you stand in the mirror, show them how they're going to stand with their hands on their hips. So you're going to look at your breasts in the mirror, and then you're going to put your hands above your head. And so put them all the way up.
All the way up?
Like that, yes. So, okay, you can put your hands down now. So you're just looking for any like puckering, dimpling, any changes in the skin, any redness.
So any like nipple inversion.
Yes. So what is nipple inversion? Everybody may not know what inversion is.
So nipple inversion is like when instead of your nipple being outward, which is how most nipples appear, it's inverted inward. So your nipple may look like it's sunk into your breast. So yeah, that's what nipple inversion is.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Right. So also for a girl like me who is top heavy, I have really large breasts.
I think I do too.
So I have to do mine lying in the bed.
Okay.
So when I lie in the bed, I place a pillow. Let me see. I place a pillow underneath me, and it allows the breast tissue to spread.
You put the pillow like underneath your
this part
under your your shoulder, so that makes your breast go up.
It goes up and it spreads. So when it spreads, it's easier for me to get to every section of my breast. Yeah. When I'm doing the exam.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
So yeah, that's basically it. Just make sure you're checking your boobies every day. I mean, once a month. And if you want to check them more than that, you can. But
you know your breasts, right? Yeah. Like, so it's best for you to check them because you know your breasts, so you'll know when something's wrong with your breasts.
Yeah. So and we had said before in one of our videos that they're like the guidelines are changing. They're recommending not to do self breast exams, but we as females and we as primary care providers, we recommend you check your breasts because you'll be the first one to know if there's a change.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. All right. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Impromptu. Okay.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. If you have questions or anything, you can always reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. We're on all those platforms as B&B, the Community NPs.
Yes, and let's go see our patients now.
Yeah.
All right, bye, y'all.
Bye.